it is the Gen processor, right? It is a very smaller, and it have the capacity of logic and arithmetic operations. It is a very wonderful device. It is a very important device in motherboards, right? These are the processor revolutions. Processor is the hardware. So initially, at the computer invented, there are the these are the 4-bit processors. This is the first processor, 4-bit processor, 4004. Then 4040. After 4-bit, it was the invention of 8-bit processor. 8-bit, 8008, 8080, 8085. This is the 8-bit processor. See the figure, see the contents, right? 4-bit processor and the 8-bit processor. Now, next is the 16-bit processor. 16-bit processor, MCS 86. It is called the 16-bit processor. Before few years, before 15 years, 32-bit processors are there. And we all know the Pentium series, Pentium Pro, Pentium 2, Pentium 3 and Pentium 4. Please check the contents, please check the slides. There are 16-bit and the 32-bit processor are there. But now, I am talking about the era of 64-bit processor. We know that Intel Core 2 Duo, Intel Dual Core, Core i3, Core i5, Core i7, it is the 64-bit processor. So, when the computer invented, at that time, it was the 4-bit. Now it is available up to 64-bit. Now the question is that, what is the difference between the different bits? Like the difference between 32 bits and the difference between 32 and 64. So we can have right now 64-bit, and we are rapidly change of the configuration of computer today, right? So we have the size of hard disk is more than 400 GB, 800 GB. Nowadays, suppose we are going to purchase the laptop or we are going to purchase the PC, then the RAM would be 4 GB, 8 GB. It is possible due to 64-bit processor. So if the bits are more, then the configuration of computer will be more, right? So it is the well advanced. It is giving more configurations. It is giving more configuration of different devices, different hardwares, right? Right now we can connect more number of devices through the CPU and through the hardwares. So this is due to 64-bit processor, right? So 64-bit, 32-bit, it was started from 4-bit. So there are different version, different processor available in the market, but right now we can say that 64-bit processor available, right? See, the next is the devices like display devices. Check the contents. Display devices, monitor, right? So it is also one hardware or one component or physical device of computers. So some years ago, the huge size of monitor is there. It is very heavier, but nowadays you can check the different component like LCD, CRT, gas plasma, LED, and DLP. DLP, the last figure is the projector, right? LED, gas plasma, CRT, and LCD. What is the full form of this component, right? So they are quite thin, they are quite lighter than the heavy monitors. So see the contents, see the slides. What is the meaning of CRT? It is a cathode ray tube, right? And the flat panel display. So LCD, LED, gas plasma, and DLP, it is a flat panel display. LCD means liquid crystal display. LED means light emitting diode. Gas plasma, DLP, digital light processing, right? So these are the display devices of monitors. So please check the figure. These are the figures of display devices. So monitor is also the hardware parts of computers, right? So these are the hardware parts. These are the projectors. See, number of projectors are there. As per the technology invented, different projector is available in the market. Nowadays you can buy this kind of projector up to 10,000 rupees only, and they are having the good resolutions, they are having the good performance, they are having the good sense, right? So these are the projectors. There is no need to purchase the monitor directly, you can buy the projectors, right? So this is the hardware components, right? Mouse, some year ago it is the wired mouse, today it is the wireless mouse, right? So if the wired mouse is there are two kind of category of wired mouse, the serial and the parallel, right? These are the wired mouse. See, now what is the software revolution? We go further, but before this, I want to just revise all the things. So far we discussed about the hardware components. So just be moving smoothly. Just back digital light processing. It is the hardware component. Please check the slide. The last one is the display devices, right? CRD, flat, LCD, LED, DLP. This is the also content of computer hardware. Then we discuss about the different kind of processor, like 64-bit processor, right? Then 32-bit processor, 64-bit processor have different type: Xeon, Core 2, dual core, i3, i5, i7. Today is the era of i7. 32-bit processors: Pentium 2, Pentium 3, Pentium 4. This is the 32-bit processor, right? These are the 4-bit processor. It was invented before at the time of computers, right? Now this is the CPU, central processing unit. Then motherboard, different parts, different components of motherboards. You have seen the different port, parallel, USB, LAN port. Then again, these are the mechanism of motherboards, right? This is the motherboard, figure of motherboard. Now, so overall we have seen the history of hardware, the revolution of hardware. We started from the 1940s, the era of first computers, right? And the second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation. We also talk about the artificial intelligence. I also given one example of robot. It is the example of artificial intelligence. It is a human science. The gaming, different games of artificial intelligence, fifth generation computers. So this is the history of computer hardware. Now we are slightly moving about the software part, right? Now what is software? Definition of software. Please check the content. Definition of software. Software is nothing. It is a just program. It is the description of instructions, or it is the procedure, or we can say it is the algorithm, and it is related to data. That is a software. Software means you can say it's application, it is program, it is procedure. So this is the definition of software, right? See the figure. The software is directly connected with the hardware, right? Hardware, there are two type of software in the figure. One is application software and the second is the system software. Now check if the operating system is the part of software. If operating system is not available, then how can we listen the music from the speakers, right? So hardware device and the software programs, they are reciprocate, right? If the software is not available, then it is hardware device are not going to use, right? If we want to use the hardware device, so it is required the software. So operating system is also software, right? So there are two type of software: the system software and the hardware software. This is the figure. What is the meaning of system software? System software is the coordinates, the activities and the function of hardware and the programs, right? So you can say that system software is the operating system. System software is the operating system. And what is the operating system? Operating system is the bridge between the hardware and the software. First program of computer is the operating system. If operating system is not available, then we cannot install any other software. Suppose you want to use Microsoft Word, but the operating system is not installed, then you cannot use Microsoft Word, right? Suppose you want to listen the music like the media player. There are number of players to listen the music, but the OS is not there, then you cannot listen the music from the media player also, right? Suppose you want to run the C programs, suppose you want to run the HTML, you want to run the internet applications. So the backbone of the software is the operating system, right? Now see the figure, right? There are system software is the coordinates, the activities and the function of hardware and programs. Coordinations means reciprocate of hardware and the programs. Now when we click on media player, just play, the music open due to the operating system. So it is the coordination of the hardware and the program, right? So types of system software: operating system, utility program and the middleware, right? Now we talk about the operating system. Different version of operating system is available, right? Windows, Unix, Linux and the Mac. Windows have the history Windows have the client OS and the server OS. If you are using client, then we started from 95, then 98, then Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8. So these are the client OS, right? Please check the content. There are also Windows Server OS, Windows Server and Windows Client. Windows Server means Windows 2003 and Windows 2008. So these are the system software. Windows Server. Now Unix is also operating system, right? Red Hat Linux have the several category like Linux 6, Linux 7, 8, 9. So Red Hat has also categories. Mac OS, Mac is the other operating system. So these are the operating system is called the system software. The system software is the first category of operating system, right? So see, what is this? This is the command prompt, am I right? This is the command prompt. Command prompt means CUI, command user interface. So this is the first operating system by Windows, right? So simply we have to write the commands. There is no drag and drop, there is no menu, there is no GUI. Suppose you want to access some hardware or software, then you have to write only line of code, only commands. So this is the CUI, it is called command user interface, right? This is the first generation of the software, you can say that it's a command line command user interface, right? So this is the operating system. Now slightly the technology changed. See the figure. Directly we jump to the 98 OS and the XP. This is the XP, Windows XP. So it is full of GUI. This is the menu, number of icons are there. So it is plug and play. It's a one-click event. Suppose you want to access anything, just click and you can get the output. So this is the Windows XP figure. This is the GUI, graphical user interface. See the figure. This is the CUI. Only command is there, no GUI. And the second one is the XP. It is a GUI. This is the one more example. This is the latest Windows 8, right? This is the Windows 8 and this is the framework, or this is the features of Windows 8. So all the menus and all the components of Windows 8 are appear on the screen. So there is no need to click, there is no need to menu, right? Directly we can set the program which has the priority appear on the screen. See, this is the number of programs appeared in the screen. There are red, blue, pink. These are the number of colors programs. So we can operating our program as per our priority. Nowadays the era of mobile. This is the mobile OS, right? So today we are using mobile, internet is there, we can access the Word, we can access the OpenOffice, we can access the several applications through mobile. So operating system, we have started operating system. See, we have started OS through command user interface, CUI. See, this is the figure of CUI, see. Then day by day technology comes, then GUI, then the directly plug and play and the mobile applications. So technology has the wonderful performance since last few years. So everyone has the mobile now and everyone are using the operating system through the mobile, right? So these are the second functionality or second category of system software. First one is the operating system, second one is the utility programs. Utility programs means nothing, it is the software designed to help the analyze, configure, optimize or maintain a computer. So instead of OS or rather than OS, we are also required some other programs that will maintain our computer, that will maintain our software. That is called utility program, right? It is used to control some mechanism, it is used to manage some mechanism, right? So that is the utility computing or utility software. Please check the slide. These are the antivirus suite. So antivirus is a one kind of utility program through which we can detect the antivirus viruses. So antivirus is a utility program. Many times we can say the device driver software. Device driver software is also called the utility program. Means any software which is required to maintain the computer or to maintain the program of software, that is the utility software, right? Suppose if you purchase the modem, then the device driver of modem is called the utility software, right? Suppose you purchase your camera. Now to run the camera, you have one CD, you have one USB, you have to install some program, that is the utility program. So first one is the system software. System software have the operating system. The second one is the utility computers or utility software, right? This is the example. Third one is the middleware programs. Middleware is nothing, it is a one kind of easier software developer to perform communication and input output. So we have seen different software in the market, like the network application, then web applications, then mobile application. This is the middleware programs, right? It is required some hardware, it is required software, it has the input, it has the output. Right now we are just we are just looking the software of taxpayer, we are just looking the software of educations, we are looking the software of gaming. These are the middleware programs, right? It will take the input and the output. So first one is the system software, second is the utility, and third one is the middleware programs. So this is the middleware program. Oracle has their own middleware, right? So every company have the middleware programs, right? So these are the categories of middleware program. Application software. Application software is the other part. Users solve the particular problems. See the figure, see the content, sorry. Application software helps to user to solve the particular problems. In most cases, application software reside on the computer's hard disk. It can also be stored on CDs, DVDs, flash or keychain storage devices, right? So application software is the program that can be maintained or that can be stored on CD, DVD or the US flash, or it is called USB or keychain storage. So these are the application software. Different categories of application software is there: entertainment, educations, product engineering software. Suppose we are online purchasing, online selling the product, so product engineering software is also called the application software, right? So these are the several category of software. Now we just moving behind and just revise all the things, right? So we can clear about software. So first we started, please revise in 2 minutes, right? So these are the example of operating system. What is software? Is a software is a 3 type. OS, system software are 3 types: operating system, utility programs, and the middleware. OS is the Windows Server, Windows, Unix, Linux, and the Mac OS. These are the OS. It's the CUI, command user interface. Then invented is a graphical GUI. Then these are the OS Windows 8, right? Then the operating system, these are the mobile operating system. Utility is the software. It is required to analyze, configure, optimize and maintain the computer. Antivirus is the utility programs.